Hi everyone, I work for Jiffle now as assistant manager over there. So our company is a event management based company, and we provide a software which basically help other company, a big company, to manage their event. So this is more briefing about our company and me. Basically I met Ranjan and e-market education over here to do SEO program, and so I can go through over Google and promote my company and all.
Very
So,
nice.
so where when I joined here, then I come to know, okay, there is a big lot thing we need to do to go through in the market and all. And after getting knowledge here slowly, so I started doing myself to promote my company website and all, and we started seeing the growth.
Very good.
So,
Very
so,
nice.
so now we are getting good number of people visiting our website, organic website. We are getting good number of lead coming through all searches and all. So we now came to know like, okay, something is there, a name kind of keyword thing we need to promote. So people whenever go through these kind of keyword, they come to our website, and thanks to Ranjan and e-market education,
Most welcome.
we are very good at in, and now we have around 175 keyword which are on the top on the Google.
Very good. Very
Which
good.
referring our website and all.
Very
So
good.
it's very nice, and this course is very helpful, and all management or every faculty, and especially Ranjan, very
Thank you.
helpful. Whenever the problem is there, I generally ping on Skype and all, and I ask Ranjan, this is the problem I'm facing, and I get the response and very well, and so I go and implement the things, and I'm very happy doing this course and growing the things.
Thank
And
you very much.
Ranjan only offering me every time that whatever the support you want, you can take it from me anytime after your completion of your course. So it's very fantastic, and I hope.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's very good place to learn the things and grow.
Congrats to your recent promotion also
Yeah.
as in the marketing department. I'm sure that you have been adding up a lot of values to the companies for which this promotion has really been awarded to you. And I'm sure that both company and you are doing tremendously good, and all the best for that one. And like, how was your knowledge when you actually joined for the course, and what all differences did you see after the course, and out of your own self commitment also, because it's just not that you join a training institute and you learn. Until unless you are not self committed, self disciplined towards certain things, still you won't be able to learn. So what sort of differences have you find from that day till date, when you say that yes, I'm done with the course and I'm going to explore much more in the coming days? Yes, please.
So, to be frank, Ranjan, when I joined here, I don't have much knowledge about SEO and all. So, when I came here, I started learning that this is a keyword, you have to search this is the process, how competitor lines will be there, and then going with the keyword, how we'll use the Google Analytics, Webmaster, where we'll get the report. These things were very new, and as you first day told me that we can teach you, but learning make you the expert. Like you need to go and make your hand dirty, then only you will get to know, because we can show you the path and you need to walk on the path.
Yes. Out of many of the students, you have been again very exceptional, as per my knowledge. One, you are a person who straight away from your company come here to do the training without fail. Okay, irrespective of whether it is raining, whether it is some other situation is arising, you have been coming. You have been very punctual to your time. One. Second thing is, you are the person who was quite focused that I'm here for a training which I have to again take it back and implement in my company, because it is again a company sponsorship around which you have initiated this program. So you have done a real 1000% justice to that, because I have seen that work happening. You have been to your you come here, you already have some preparations towards your goal, that yes, I have this all challenges today in my company, I have to get those things understand. Then again, if the support could be not only from the learning, it could be reportings, it could be my daily tasks, how I need to maintain, and you were purely focused on that. Yes, this is what I have to learn, this is what the work I have to also pursue in my company. So I'm not only running it, but I'm also trying to do the things in a way that it is helping me in my day-to-day activity. And you were actually mentoring that. That was really had a platform. You already had to work, and you did everything that can make you grow in that given perspective. So I think that discipline, that perseverance, and everything doesn't come in everyone. You are really exceptional in that. That's very nice, and you are very planned. You are very planned, and you are very dedicated guy. Nice to, and I'm sure that this type of employees will always add value, and when people like you add value, company will surely appreciate your hard work, and for that reason it's for a genuine way of you taking up the things, and for that the company is also adding up value to your growth and all. That's very nice here. So very good. And anything else you want to add up?
So that only, like, I started working, I start pinging at night, evening, anytime when there is the problem I'm facing, what is the solution, and you give, and started working, and we started working slowly, I started the result and all, and hopefully I'll disturb you again and again. Whatever the
Most
problem
welcome,
will come.
most welcome. One thing, what as an individual I have never stopped is whether you are a part of it. Might be some loopholes you would have find while you are doing or pursuing the course with e-market education, but whatever best way we can support you, whether you are pursuing the course or whether you have done the course with us, or tomorrow you want to learn something else, we actually are open to it. We don't charge for sure, because the day when you are connected with us for a given course, that is what we actually basically charge for our service fee. But with that, when you find that you are more interested for many other things, and whenever we are creating those source of learning over here, you are most welcome to come and be a part of it. So because end of the day, not many people show the same sort of agility, the same sort of interest. We want to do many things out of a sort of sharing experiences, but many people don't even participate. But when you have the same interest and all, we would really like to hand over that opportunity. So that is something very important for us. Yes.
Thanks, and
Thank you.
guys, it's very good education institute. Please join and learn
Thank you
the
for-
knowledges, and it's very good. You can go for PPC. Many programs are there, and all teams are very fantastic, especially Ranjan. So e-marketing education team is rocking. So
Thank you. Lucky to have people like you, because we have our own choice of students. Okay, because our fees are different, our choices of students are different. The students also who pursue with us are quite different. So that we have been maintaining, and being connected with people like you, creating this relationship and taking it further. For sure, we are going to cherish this. And thanks a lot for giving us this opportunity. And be connected. Anytime you need any support, you're most welcome.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.